Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Find My Buds function on your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. Okay, so first of all you have to select your JBL earbuds from the JBL headphones application, and this function you can find right here, almost at the bottom of the list. So by the way, this option will be useful for you if you have properly connected your earbuds with this JBL headphones application and your device. So when you do this only by using the standard Bluetooth settings and you lost any of the left or the right earbud, you will be not able to track them, because there's like no way to pair them when you lost one of it, right? And you know, right here you can find the left and the right earbud buttons. So when you click on this one, or this one, it will start produce some sound. And definitely this function will be useful if you lost one of the earbud, for example in the home or in other some places like in the library, for example. But if you are outside in the city on next to the busy street or anywhere else with a lot of noises, I think that this sound that will comes from the earbud, it will be like no way to find them, right? And there's also no kind of the GPS location like in the Apple AirPods. So you know, it's not the perfect function, but if you are in the home you can find it definitely. So we can just click on the left or the right and then click continue. And that's the sound that comes from the headphones. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.